Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Field early in the morning, about 6:30 in the morning on May 5th now, and 24, and we're going to take up the AVIOS Albatros version 2. Now she is a belly lander, so I'm obviously not going to be using the runway. Let me go down here. But she's got more than enough power. Big 4-cell, got a 4500 Sokokin, I believe, if I remember right. 4S. Enter.
Motor on.
All right.
Takeoff flaps.
We'll do takeoff flaps. Right, left, down, right, left. Yeah.
Flaps up.
Does need a little bit of down trim. A little too much. Just realized I'm flying, I don't have my battery, my receiver strap. Boy, what an easy flying plane. I'll turn back towards us now. Take it up.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Beautiful plane. Gorgeous colors. Very easy to fly. That's just me adjusting trim. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around. I'm going to bring it down right by us, right in front of us on the runway here. Kind of slow.
Flaps up. Time remaining 3 minutes. Landing flaps.
Got the flat landing flaps in.
Flaps up.
Just show you how slow she'll fly. All right, let's go ahead and take her out here a little bit.
Landing flaps.
Since we have no wind at all, I'm definitely going to need flaps. Slow her down.
Flaps up.
All right. She didn't really like it when I did that. All right, let's take it up here. What we're going to do is we're going to fly along.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Fly along, fly along. Okay, and all of a sudden I lose power. And all she does is just glide forward. All right, now we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to take it up. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, good. She just slumps forward. I'm running a 7-channel Lemon RX Gen 2 with no kind of stabilization or anything like that. It's just a 7-channel receiver. Go ahead and get over landing. We're going to see how she lands without flaps this time. If the grass is wet, it's very easy to take off on her belly. However, if you've got a dry grass and it's dry all day, you have got to really give it power and pull full up elevator, and I would say even use takeoff flaps or landing flaps just to get up off the ground as quick as possible. Because that nose is going to want that, that front keel is going to want to dig in. All right. But if the grass is wet, don't need flaps. But if the grass is wet, then you don't have any problem at all. All right.
Motor off.
We had 34 seconds left on a 5-minute timer. Let's see what kind of juice is in the tank. Pick her up and carry her over closer to us. The decals they use on this, they come off pretty easy. Like this USC, I just noticed that it was starting to peel up. So you might want to put a little bit of adhesive on there. But she's got, you know, nav lights. She's got the blinking light on top of the rudder there, or at the corner there. Top loader. And pretty efficient. I mean, I flew her fairly hard to twin motors on a 5-minute timer, and I've got 45% left on a 4500 Sokokin 4S. And to show you my setup inside, that's where I got that Sokokin all the way forward, and the blue strap kind of there at the end, and then that red light there is the Lemon RX. You see that? That red light is the Lemon RX Gen 2 7-channel receiver. She does have thrust reverse, and you can set up differential. I only have the thrust reverse on. Still haven't flown on water. She's perfect for water, but I can't swim that well, so. All right, well, folks, that is the AVIOS Albatros version 2. Great flying boat, great flying plane, period. She has more than enough power to take off on her belly and land on her belly. Just make sure it helps if the grass is wet in the morning like this. If not, you got to give full up elevator and definitely takeoff flaps at least, because when on the grass is dry, this keel will dig in, and she wants to do this number here trying to take off. So better if the grass is wet. All right, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends, and then flying boats. Bye-bye.